Howdy, Wall Street Willie. What is a wire transfer? A wire transfer is a quick and secure way of transferring money electronically from one person to another using banks, credit unions, or a financial services company like Western Union, where no physical money is exchanged. It can be used for both domestic and international transactions when speed is very important or when the amount involved is large, like for closing a home or sending money to a relative abroad. They are fast but can be expensive due to the fees involved. What is an ACH transfer? Like a wire transfer, an ACH transfer is a safe and convenient way to move money electronically from one person to another through their banks or credit unions. This is done using the automated clearinghouse or ACH network, and no physical money is exchanged. ACH transfers are usually free unless expedited and can be used for domestic transactions such as direct deposit of paychecks or bill payments. What are the main differences between wire transfers and ACH transfers? The biggest differences are speed, location, price, and limits. Wire transfers are best for transactions that need to be completed quickly, as they take less than 24 hours for domestic transfers, compared with 1 to 3 business days for ACH transfers. In addition, ACH transfers are primarily domestic. Sending money internationally usually requires a wire transfer. ACH transfers are generally free unless expedited, whereas wire transfers cost $25 to $50 to send and $15 to $20 to receive. ACH transfers usually have a limit of $5,000 a day or $25,000 a month, whereas wire transfers may not impose any limits or have limits that are significantly higher. In addition, wire transfers are irreversible. Once the money is wired, it cannot be cancelled, making it almost impossible for the sender to get their money back, even in case of fraud. This is unlike ACH transfers that can be reversed within 5 days of the transaction. Also, wire transfers can only be initiated after the sender has paid the amount, so it's guaranteed that the recipient will get the money. The same is not true for ACH transfer, as the transaction could fail if there are insufficient funds in the sender's account. All this means that ACH transfers are ideal for smaller, domestic transactions with low urgency, while wire transfers are a good choice when sending money internationally or urgently, or when sending a large amount of money. What are some alternatives to ACH and wire transfers? Newer digital payment platforms, also called peer-to-peer services like PayPal, Venmo, Zelle, Apple Pay, Google Pay, etc., are popular alternatives to ACH transfers and wire transfers. These platforms are usually free, more user-friendly, and better suited for smaller, more frequent transactions. Their biggest benefit is their speed. Transfers are completed within minutes. However, for large amounts or international transfers, ACH or wire transfers are often preferred due to their high security and established trust among financial institutions. Some other traditional alternatives for transferring money are cashier's checks and money orders. Thank you very much, Wall Street Willie. You're welcome, Super Cooper. Remember, finance is your friend.